Dogecoin is pumping. We're going to have a look at the history of Doge. We're going to try and figure out why it's pumping, what's causing it to go viral. And then, of course, we're going to try and decide if we should buy Doge. If you want to learn a bit about Dogecoin, this is the video for you. Good morning, everybody. Okay, let's get straight into this. If we have a look at CoinMarketCap and we click on the 24-hour increase percentage, we'll see that Doge is at a whopping 500%. Now, guys, a little bit earlier, it was at 800%. So that is absolutely insane. Dogecoin was originally created as a joke by someone who just wanted to say, let's just see, I want to prove that people will buy absolutely anything. But that joke has certainly become and evolved into something. And the reason that it has evolved into something is because of community. Now let's have a look at Doge on Altcoin Trader. If you have a look here, you can see that the volume on Altcoin Trader for the past 24 hours is 57 million Dogecoins. And that, in my opinion, is absolutely insane. It reached an all-time high of R1.30. R1.30 for Dogecoin is something that I never foresaw. It is just something that has absolutely come out of the blue. If we hit a quick refresher, we can see that it's currently selling at 93 cents, and we've got buyers that are looking to buy it just about the same price. So 94 cents, 93 cents, Dogecoin really doing something absolutely amazing. A little bit of history about Dogecoin. So Dogecoin was created in December 2013. So it's certainly been around for a long time. It was created by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. Now these guys created it initially as a meme coin, as a joke coin. That's why they decided to use the Doge as the meme for this coin. The community immediately started to love this project. It has a very quick block time. In other words, every minute it resolves a block, but with this every minute, there are 10,000 Doge created and rewarded to the miner. So you can see that there is a very high inflation in this coin. Now, if we have a quick look here and we try and see the 24-hour volume, because this coin should never rival the bigger coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we can see that it hasn't, but it is number 4, which is, it just speaks volumes about the community and how they have managed to pump this coin. So it was created as a joke, as I said before, but it proves that people will buy absolutely anything if they believe that there is an upside to it. So we're going to look at 4 reasons why I believe Doge is actually going up tremendously, what is happening and what is causing this pump. It starts with the fact that yesterday it was trending on Twitter. Now, not just trending, it was #1 on Twitter. And that was the beginning. That was the rumblings of what caused Doge to start getting some traction. People were investing in Doge, and it has a very strong young community, which is very active on social media. That's important. We're going to see why. Then there's always been this joke about Elon Musk being the CEO of Dogecoin. Now, of course, you might see articles like this, but Elon Musk is not the CEO of Doge. It is a joke. It is a meme. It is something that is sort of caught on and people are just bantering it around, but it's not true and it's not the real reason. Now, the second reason, so the first reason was it was trending on Twitter. The second reason is that previously Elon Musk has tweeted about Dogecoin, which has caused the price to spike dramatically. So the community was waiting for a tweet from their CEO. Not really their CEO, but they were waiting for a tweet from Elon Musk because that would help raise awareness and once again spike the price. And we know Elon Musk is very active on Twitter, but there wasn't a tweet forthcoming. But the community said there was, and they were waiting. And Elon Musk did not disappoint. Look what he tweeted. Doge, a ripoff of the famous magazine Vogue. He just went and tweeted this out in typical Elon Musk fashion. And this caused the price to go absolutely parabolic. So reason 2 is we got that tweet from the CEO of Dogecoin. Reason 3, and now this is a story that really I could make a whole video on, but venturing out of the cryptocurrency space, we have GameStop, which was a company that was really battling, and a hedge fund decided to short them. Now there's a very active Reddit community called Wall Street Bets. They decided, it's almost like they wanted to prove the hedge fund wrong or even take revenge. They decided that because the hedge fund had shorted this GameStop, they were going to pump it through their community, and they were going to pump the price of the stock through the roof. And the hedge fund would obviously lose a lot of money because they had shorted it. And they successfully had a campaign on social media that caused insane prices for GameStop. The hedge fund has had massive losses because of the power of this community and the fact that they were able to pump a stock that was really battling through the roof. So much so that Robinhood and apps like that actually stopped the trading of the stock because it was going too high. In addition to that, Reddit tried to hamper and stop people pumping it on their platform. That is the magnitude and the power that this community had. So it's a lovely story of the little guy or the community actually going up against the hedge fund and causing a lot of drama, causing huge losses for the hedge fund. And then, of course, a lot of people saying that this isn't really the case, but Flare Network have announced that Dogecoin would be, yes, the third F token on their platform, which in my opinion was a really crazy choice, but they announced that yesterday, which also added upward momentum to the Doge price. So there's a lot of hype around the Flare Network, and if you guys want, I will actually do a video that sort of outlines and explains everything that is happening in the Flare Network. But a very quick breakdown is, first we had FXRP, which was announced. Then we had F Litecoin, which was announced. Then we have F Doge, which is going to also be one of the F assets on the Flare Network. So that is very exciting, and that certainly does speak volumes about what Flare Network is trying to do. Their choice of Doge, I'm not really sure why they did it and, you know, what's happening with it, but it is official. It has been announced. It was rumored, but now we know that it is official and it is happening. The power of community is something that I am really impressed with. I mean, the fact that the Doge community could push this coin to those heights. There's a lot of videos, and the target point for Dogecoin is $1. Now, going back to Altcoin Trader, we can see it's just reached R1 or it's slightly over R1. Do I believe it's going to get to $1? Now, if you had asked me yesterday, I would have said there's no way that this coin will ever reach $1. But now I'm having to say it's not likely, but with an over 800% pump in the last 24 hours, anything can happen. This is crypto, guys. I'm not going to rule it out. I don't think it will happen this year, but who knows what will happen when Bitcoin, Ethereum start to reach new all-time highs. Is Dogecoin going to follow? Is this young, vibrant community able to push the price? Another thing that we need to consider is that Doge is easily accessible. A lot of people that have simply got the Robinhood app are able to buy Dogecoin, put in a couple of $100 and get going. So it has ease of accessibility. Now let's look at the bigger picture before we talk about should we buy Dogecoin, and I will tell you what my personal views are. The bigger picture is mass adoption of crypto for the youth. Even though they're starting with Dogecoin, this is viral. The whole world is talking about it. Twitter is ablaze with Doge comments. So once you start with crypto, we know that you see the light and you start to buy more and more. crypto. So I believe that this is a huge net positive. It brings a massive sector of the young community into cryptocurrency, and I always try and look at the bright side of things. So despite the insanity of the price of Dogecoin, I think it is a very, very big net positive for cryptocurrency. Will I buy Dogecoin? So first of all, it's important to point out that I don't own a single Doge, not even one. But will I buy? Well, as an investment and with my financial sense brain, I would say definitely not. I'm not going to buy. However, because I want to support the amazing effort of this community, I'm going to buy some Doge. I just want to show with my wallet that I believe what they're doing, I don't know if it's good or it's bad, but I certainly know it's amazing. So I'm going to buy a couple of R100 worth of Doge, possibly 1,000 or 2,000 rands worth of Dogecoin. And I'm not doing that for an investment. I don't know what is going to happen with the price of Dogecoin, and I don't know if I'm going to benefit out of it. But I'm going to do it purely to show a cool contribution to this community, and in some small way do a part to say, hey guys, what you're doing is absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to buy Doge, if you want to support the community, or if you just think that this is all a big joke that you don't want to have anything to do with. That's it from me, guys. Subscribe to my channel because, as many of you might know, next week we're having the crypto giveaway. It's probably going to start a day late, so you can expect the first video on the 2nd of Feb, and we'll have the actual giveaway on the 3rd of February. You don't want to miss out on the crypto giveaway, so make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell. That's it from me. I'm out.